Hi, my name is Acharya Faniraj. I'm the founder of Synergy Solutions Group. Synergy Solutions Group is India's fastest developing real estate investment service provider. We have our offices in Hyderabad and in Vizag at this point in time. Why I told fastest developing investment service provider is because we have come up with a very revolutionary concept of 360-degree lifelong loyalty contract for all the investors who are going to buy property from us. And these investors initially, like in this last next 6 or 7 months, whoever are buying from us, they get the special loyalty programs also. You can see on our website that we already started paying a huge amounts of 36 lakhs, 17 lakhs and about 13.5 lakhs some of the investors. We have one big program which is happening, which is at Epitome, and this is going to be the biggest benefit program for any investor who wants to buy a property. And I'll tell you, this is the biggest in the history of real estate. From our future profits, we are going to start our offices in 20 cities in India and then subsequently 100 cities overall. From our profits, we are going to share 25% of our profits back to our investors. We make it packages. Epitome is a 1142-acre project which is coming up on the Hyderabad-Vijayawada highway near little before Chautapal. It is right adjacent to the proposed regional ring road, and a massive development, about 5-acre clubhouse, then about 24 theme parks. I haven't seen anything like this in my real estate experience. So with this, what we are offering is anybody who buys a property through Synergy in Epitome, we are going to have randomly picked one customer out of a group of every 10 customers, and we're going to give them a 1 crore worth villa from our profits, and this is going to be given for 50 customers. Overall 500 investors. Every 10 member group, we are going to take a lucky dip. One customer will get 1 crore worth, a luxury villa, which will be handed over in 42 months. What we do is we build our profits. From that, we build this luxury villa and give it to you. Apart from that, for all the car owners, a great news. Here is an opportunity. You buy a property at Epitome, you visit the property, then you write a slogan. You can win a Mercedes-Benz 400D 4matic, which is about 1 crore and 9 lakh rupees. This is only for the Epitome project what we have done, because this is a very, very wonderful project. You may not find a chance again to buy property at this price, because we are selling at 16,000 per square area at this point in time, and very shortly it's going to move to 20,000 rupees. So hurry friends, Synergy is there to give you a lifelong property contract, and Epitome is going to give you lifelong happiness. Thank you Hybiz TV for asking me all these things. Network Marathon app, network is required for any business person who wants to grow. Basically, Network Marathon, which is arranged in a very huge way, that too post-COVID or during this pandemic situation, this kind of marathons help a lot. We get connected in a single hall, and we know that all these people are safe to talk to. So this kind of marathons must happen more often during the COVID period, and every businessman must get associated with Network Marathon. And I know Avinash and his team has done a wonderful job over here. And next Network Marathon, I'll look at more new faces over here. Welcome to Hybiz and welcome to Network Marathon. Welcome to Synergy Solutions Group. Bye-bye.